Hello everybody, hope you all doing fine. I am back with yet another episode of Login Helps, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to create Bitmoji account. So Bitmoji, as we all know, is a secondary social media app that people use to create little cartoon versions of themselves, which they then use on their various social media accounts. So you simply create an expressive cartoon avatar of yourself. Choose from a growing library of moods and stickers that you use in this avatar. So guys, it really sounds fun. So if you want one, then you have to create its account. To create its account, all you need to have is a good internet connection on your mobile phone and Bitmoji app installed on your mobile phone. So if it is not installed, then go ahead and install the application. But if it is already installed, then need not worry guys, it is very easy to create Bitmoji account. So if you want to learn how to create, keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now, in order to create Bitmoji account, first of all tap on Bitmoji application. Now you will be provided with two options, that is continue with a Snapchat and create avatar. So it also says login, but we don't have an account, so we cannot log in right now. We can log in after creating an account. So in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to create Bitmoji account with your email. So I'll later teach you how to continue with Snapchat. For now, tap on the blue button of create avatar on the bottom of the page. Now it asks whether you want to use Snapchat account or not. So I already said that I'll teach you how to create Bitmoji account using email. So let's go and tap on use email. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your birthday. So go ahead and tap on your birthday. After you're done tapping your correct birth date, just look above. It says that your birthday will never be shared. So that's quite impressive. It also respects our privacy. So if you're done tapping on your birthday, tap on continue. Now you will land onto a page where it will ask for your email. So go ahead and tap on your email here. After you're done tapping your email, go ahead and tap on continue. Now it says set a password. So it also says that your password should be at least 6 characters. So go ahead and enter a password. Guys, make sure that you create a strong password and the password that other wouldn't be able to guess, so that your account will be secured. So go ahead and enter your password of 6 characters. You can even tap on the eye icon to check your password. Now also read the information given, that by tapping sign up you agree to all the terms of service and privacy policy. So yes, we already agreed it. So tap on sign up if you're done. Now the Google will send you a notification saying that save password to Google or not. It asks whether we want to save password to Google or not. So tap on save if you want to save it, or tap on not now if you don't want to save it. So I don't want to save it, so I tapped on not now. Now it said start with a selfie. So if you want to start with a selfie, then tap and continue. But I don't want to start with a selfie. I'll add it later, so I'll skip it. So it's done guys. Our Bitmoji account is already created. Now you just go and choose all your skin tone, face, this and that. It has various options. So yeah guys, this is how we can easily create our Bitmoji account. So I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.